We talked earlier about those special SMS Lincoln cents. Beautiful, beautiful coins. So obviously we knew what was going to happen next, right? Do you have any of those Kennedys left? So for a couple of minutes, we're going to bring this particular product back just to show you, talk about a deal. So on the Kennedys, probably more so than the Lincoln cents, the SMS is just pop. I guess because it's a bigger coin, it's silver, it's a little easier to see. An SMS is a combination, uncirculated, and proof set that was made for only 3 years in U.S. history. These are those 3 years. Now, what it is actually a proof die. They take the die and they polish it like a proof die. And then they take the planchet, the piece of silver here for the Kennedy half dollar, but they strike it only once. Which means when you look at this coin, it looks proof-like-ish, right? It has that proof image on it. But we know they didn't make proofs. We know they didn't make unks. They only made these special mint sets, SMS. These are all the Kennedys. The big coin out of the set, the silver coin out of the set. And tonight we're under $100. We are half the price of that of our competition.
And that $99.95 price gets you all 3 dates, 1965 through 1967. They are pretty rare as well. They made 2.3 million sets in 1965, 2.2 in 1966, and 1.8 in 1967. And within those numbers, the total number graded by NGC in 67 or higher are 9,600, 13,000, and 10,000. Now the 65 is the rarest at just 9,600. That's because that year, that set was in an envelope in a poly pack, similar to the early date proof sets. 1966 and 67, they went to that hard plastic lens. So it is understandable that those 2 dates graded better. All in all, there's only 9,619 sets known to exist in 67 grade or higher as of today because of that 1965.
Well, something also, again, is the fact that we're looking for uniqueness in a series that's now over half a century. We've seen unks, we've seen proofs, right? We've seen a couple of other special finishes than Kennedy's, but there's only one time in U.S. history where we made a unique type of set in lieu of everything else. In 2017, the enhanced uncirculated set, they made a regular unk set, they made a proof set, they made a silver proof set. They didn't make any of that stuff this year, 65, 66, or 67. It was just this one version while they transitioned from the combination in Philadelphia to San Francisco being proof and Philadelphia being unk going forward. You can tell the difference. You can really tell the difference. Now again, our competition's at $199.95. I'm sorry, $199.50, excuse me. We are tonight under $100. It is our lowest price ever on these BDs. That means you're under $35 a coin. So you're looking at classic Kennedys in high grade. These are the deal, We have them. You can join us. Guys, we got to put that 30-second clock up. We didn't have many to start with. We actually weren't planning on this, but we wanted to make sure because we had the cents out earlier, people had a chance to talk about it. And glad we did because it is a fun set to work from.
The key is the 1965. That one didn't grade as well as the other 2 dates. That coin right there is the rarest of the set, bringing the set limit to just 9,600 coins. We're at $99.95 for all 3 in 67 grade. It's the SMS set, 3 coins, $99.95, all of them NGC 67.
We talked earlier in the evening about the special silver Kennedys, right? And the 5-for-5 deal that we had available. And the regular silver Kennedys, our competition's at $26.50. At the SMS Kennedy, they're at $36.50. These are the certified highest known pieces. Very limited numbers known, and they're under $100 for the complete set. That's special.